Okay, hello everyone. Today we discuss about average. Average is the basic thing is there. Average you have to calculate in every cases, in everywhere. Suppose in a class and class is there is a 10 student is there, different marks they are getting. What is the average of marks they are getting? So these are the basic things is there. For every day-to-day life we require average. So for average, some basic formulas are there. The basic one or two formulas are there. First formula is what? How we calculate the average? Average, I am first writing, average is equal to sum of the all given quantities divided by number of given quantities. A is equal to S by N. Now I am explaining again what is average. Average is equal to S by N. Average is equal to sum of the all given quantities. Suppose in a class 10 student is there, one student got 10, another student 20, like that, different marks is there. So numerator what you put, all the marks you have to sum up. That is a 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60, you have to sum up, and numerator should be what? If 10 student is there, then it will be 10. What marks you are putting, what values are putting, how many numbers you are putting, that number you have to put in the numerator. So this is the procedure how we calculate the average. Average is equal to always sum of the given quantities divided by number of given quantities. How many numbers are there, given quantities is there, we have to divide by number. So average is equal to what? Sum by sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Now in solving problems, if suppose average is given and number of quantities are given, then how we find out sum? Just cross multiply sum of the given quantities, we will get A into N. For solving average problem, that formula also require in many cases. So if you remember first one, second one, easily you can get sum of the quantities is equal to average into number of quantities. So in average problem, if average is given, then you find out sum, and if sum is given, obviously two values must be given. Sum is given and number of quantities are given, then you find out average. And if that means average is given, number of given quantities are given, then from that you find out sum of the given quantities. So these are the basic concepts are there in average chapter. And if one is what is given, another thing we automatically first we find out the next one. That means if average is given, we have to find out sum, and if sum is given, and we have to find out average. Sum means in some problems there is total is sum is same. Total value is what? And sum is same. Sum means total. If suppose 10 students is there, different students got one student 50, 60. So sum or total means same. You have to sum up, and total is there, so same. In case of total is there, then in place of sum that will be total. So S or T, S or T. So S or A means average, S means sum of the given quantities or total of the given quantities, and N means number of quantities, how many numbers are there. So these are the basic formulas are there. Now next formula is what? I am writing first formula, 2xy divided by x plus y. 2xy by x plus y, this is kilometer per hour. So this is formula for what? I am explaining. Suppose there is that much of distance, suppose there is a distance is there, that means in first part when they are going at x kilometer per hour. Any car or any vehicle, or by walking also, anything, x kilometer per hour going and returning at y kilometer per hour, returning at y kilometer per hour. So in that case average speed is equal to what? How we calculate? 2xy divided by x plus y. So again it is non-binary that always going if it is coming. If suppose distance is there, then half of the distance it is going x kilometer per hour and remaining half it is going y kilometer per hour, then also the average speed formula is 2xy by x plus y kilometer per hour. This is the formula, shortcut method how we get the average speed. Now next formula is that there is an 3xyz, same concept, 3xyz divided by x plus y plus z kilometer per hour. So this is what I am telling, that if a person travels 3 equal distances at a speed of x kilometer per hour, y, and this should be, there is in the first case half of the journey. If this part is there, this should be half of the journey. That means if total is 10 kilometer is there, that should be 5, that should be 5. In half of case, then only this formula is applicable. Half case, that means half of the journey covered at x kilometer, there is an how the journey is covered y kilometer, then in that case this one. and if going and returning journey there is an obviously same distance is there, so then no problem is there, so formula is applicable. Now in that case what is there, if the person travels 3 equal distances at a speed of x km per hour, y km per hour and z km per hour respectively, then the average speed during the whole journey is 3xyz divided by x plus y plus z. That meaning is what? In that case 2 you divide into 2. If there is a 3 part is there, same concept is there, 3 part is there, first part is x speed, second part is y, third part is z, and that distance should be same. If that distance is L, that also del. So distance should be same. So first part speed is x km per hour, second part is y km per hour, third part is z km per hour. In that case the average speed will be 3xyz divided by x plus y plus z km per hour. So this is the basic thing. Basic concept is average is simple one. The sum of the given quantities divided by number, and sum or total of the given quantity is equal to average into number of quantities. So this is the basic thing is there in the average chapter, and if you that means understand this one, then all the problem you can easily solve. Okay, thank you.